Hi everyone, after watching this video, you will be able to create a cool animation like this, and it is free. Okay, let's get started.
Drag the heading and paste the code. Go to Style, Typography, and Family Plugins. And for size, fill with 70 like this or 60. And we can change the number. For example, 500 or 600, 500 like this. And you can change the color like red, and the code I have put the code in the description.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.